If you feel like no matter how much you earn, you're still broke at the end of the month, this video is for you. Right now, millions of people in the US are living paycheck to paycheck. They earn decent money, but still struggle to save anything. The truth is, it's not your income that's keeping you broke. It's these 5 common money mistakes most Americans are making in 2026. Once you fix them, your financial life can completely change. Today I'm going to show you exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it. Mistake number 1. Living without a budget. Most people don't even know where their money is going. They swipe their card, pay bills, order food, and hope everything works out. But hope is not a strategy. If you don't control your money will control you. Start tracking every dollar. Use simple apps or even a notebook to see where your money goes. Once you see where your money goes, you'll find places to save instantly. Mistake number 2. Relying too much on credit cards. Credit cards are not free money, but most people treat them like they are. They buy things they can't afford. They then get stuck in high-interest debt. That's how banks make money, from your mistakes. Only use credit cards if you can pay them off in full every month. Otherwise, you're just digging a deeper hole. We've covered 2 major mistakes, but there are 3 more critical errors holding back your financial success. To quickly recap, avoid living without a budget and stop over-relying on high-interest credit cards. Stay tuned for the next 3 money mistakes that are keeping Americans broke in 2026 and learn how to fix them. Welcome! We're diving into critical financial mistakes you might be making, focusing on 2 key areas: emergency funds and investing. Understanding these pitfalls is the first step toward building a secure and prosperous financial future. Let's look at mistake number 3. Mistake number 3 is a big one: not having an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs when you least expect them. Think about car repairs, unexpected medical bills, or even losing your job. These events are not planned for, but they are inevitable. If you don't have savings to cover these emergencies, a single problem can destroy your finances and push you into a cycle of debt again and again. The solution is simple: start building an emergency fund. Even saving $500 to $1,000 is a fantastic starting point. This fund gives you essential breathing room when life hits, preventing a temporary setback from becoming a long-term financial disaster. Now let's talk about mistake number 4, not investing early. Most people perceive investing as overly complicated or risky, leading them to avoid it altogether. But what's actually risky is not investing. Why? Because inflation is constantly eating away at the value of your money every single year. If your money is just sitting idle in a regular bank account, you are effectively losing wealth over time due to purchasing power erosion. You don't need to be a finance expert to begin. Start small. Look into investing in simple index funds or a basic stock portfolio. The power of compounding means even consistent investments of $50 or $100 per month can grow significantly larger over your lifetime. Don't let these common mistakes hold you back. Start your emergency fund and begin investing today for a financially secure tomorrow. Are you tired of feeling broke? Today we're uncovering the 5 biggest financial mistakes that are silently sabotaging your wealth. It's time to stop the cycle. We'll show you exactly what to change so you can build a more secure financial future. Your goal should be simple: stop being broke. Let's aim for financial transformation by the year 2026. We'll break down the 5 most common financial traps that keep people from achieving their full earning potential. Mistake number 1 is not tracking your money. If you don't know where it goes, you can't control it. Knowing exactly where every dollar is spent is the foundation of financial control. Start tracking today. Mistake number 2 is accumulating unnecessary debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. High-interest debt is like a leak in your financial ship, draining your resources with every payment. Make paying down high-interest debt your top financial priority. Focus on eliminating it completely. Mistake number 3 is failing to build an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, and you need a safety net. An emergency fund prevents unexpected costs, like medical bills or job loss, from turning into financial disasters. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible separate account. Mistake number 4 is delaying investment. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to growing wealth. Thanks to compounding interest, the money you invest today will grow exponentially over time. Don't underestimate this power. Start investing now, even if it's just a small amount. Consistency trumps waiting for the perfect time. Mistake number 5, trying to look rich instead of being rich. This is one of the biggest traps. People spend money on expensive clothes, cars, and lifestyle just to impress others. But behind the scenes, they are broke. Real wealth is quiet. Stop trying to impress people. Focus on building assets, not showing off, because true financial freedom does not need validation. So let's quickly recap. If you want to stop being broke in 2026, you need to make these 5 changes. Track your money, avoid unnecessary debt, build an emergency fund, start investing early, and stop chasing fake lifestyles. These 5 changes can completely transform your financial future. Remember, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you have. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more real financial tips, because your journey to financial freedom starts today.